Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am getting ready for my bestie's, I was about to say bridal shower, but it's her rehearsal dinner. I'm so excited. So I wanted to go ahead and do my makeup, and this is gonna be more of a sort of speed through and some chatty thrown in there. And today I wanted to use a Natasha Denona Gold Palette because I have an eye on this palette for a really long time and I finally decided to get it. So it's such a gorgeous palette. I am going to start with my eyes. I already prepped my skin. I used the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream, and then I just sprayed a little bit of Caudalie spray just to kind of freshen up since I was feeling a little dry earlier. But this is what the palette looks like. It's super, super gorgeous. Obviously it's gold and it has all of these gorgeous shades right there. And I'm wearing a gray dress, but I really wanted to play with this palette because it's so pretty. And I don't know, I might use some of these shades for the wedding tomorrow. So I kind of wanted to play with it today just to make sure that this is like an actual palette that I want to use, but I might not use this entire palette. Well, maybe, I don't know yet. I might use another palette as well, but this is going to be the main focus of today's look. So I just need to prime my eyes, and I did get my eyebrows waxed. That's why they look good right now. But yeah, I guess let's go ahead and get started. Hopefully you guys like it. Okay, so I went ahead and zoomed you guys in, but I'm just kind of like dusting off some of my eye brushes because I did use them recently and they do have other colors on them, so I'm just kind of cleaning these off. I am going to be looking at my mirror here, so you'll probably see a lot of the look better on this side. Just a little heads up. Actually just got done cleaning a bunch of my brushes, so because I am doing hair and makeup for 2 of the bridesmaids tomorrow, which is gonna be fun. But we got such a busy day tomorrow. I have to be over at her house by 6 a.m. at the latest 6:30. So it's gonna be a crazy day, but you know, that's how weddings are. But I'm excited. So I left my eyeshadow primer downstairs and I don't feel like going to get it, so I'm gonna use concealer. This is the NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer. Just gonna use a little bit and blend it out by patting it with my ring finger. If I ever have to use concealer as a primer, this is like one of my favorites because it doesn't feel like thick. Oh, I hear the baby. Are you coming? Where are you? There you are. I see you. What are you doing? Yeah, you get to see mommy? Mama? Yeah? What you doing? So if you hear a baby in the background, that's my child. She decided to join the video. Oh, no, 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 you cannot eat my beauty blender. Can you close the door? Cierra la puerta. No? Okay. These 3 colors that are right here, I'm gonna start with these 2 mixed in at the crease. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm just gonna take like a fluffy brush. This is the Morphe M504. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with this dark shade right here to deepen up that crease. Darker than what it looks like, so really, really blend. Should have tapped off some of the excess because this is a very pigmented palette. Blues are screaming my name, but I really want to use this one too. That gold. Okay, so now I'm gonna blend out just the top. It's just a clean, fluffy brush. Okay, so what I think I'm gonna do is actually take some of that gold color, and I'm also gonna use this palette right here. This is the eyeshadow palette number 5 by Natasha Denona. but just to start off with, I'm gonna use the Morphe M408. This is my favorite eyeshadow brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and start with that gold color right down here. I'm also gonna take this color right here and mix it in. This has more of a pink-y tone in it, but oh my gosh, the lip makes it look so pretty. And I'm gonna focus that on the inner corner of the eye. Okay, now I'm gonna go back with my big fluffy brush and just blend out that crease. Use my finger, pick up that gold color, and press it onto my eye. Oh yeah, so much better with the finger. I'm gonna go in with my fluffy brush, take some of that light color and the middle darker color, and go back into my crease just to bring that color back and to buff out those harsh lines. Taking this more tapered brush, it's the Morphe E18, and I am going to focus on the outer V corner just to deepen up that crease right there. Now going back with that fluffy brush, I'm just going to blend everything out. I'm going to pick up a little bit more of that gold and add some more to my eye because I feel like I kind of got lost. Okay, so going back with my E18, I am going to start smoking out the bottom lash line. So in this palette, there's not really any like brow bone color, so I am going to grab another palette. Just trying to figure out which one. Okay, so I was able to find some stuff in my stash, so I didn't have to go downstairs. I think baby's coming back. What's up, Munchkin? What's up, Munchkin? You keep wanting come here. You put you in the video. Come here. Oh, you want to say hi? Look, say hi. Hi. You gotta say hi. Hi. There you go. Hi. Okay, you want to do mommy's makeup? Mama? Yeah, this is gonna be hard though. Why don't you go watch the video with Daddy? Here. Okay, so taking that like fluffy brush, I'm taking like a bone color, and that's what I'm going to highlight my brow bone with. No, that's too sharp. That's too sharp. Come here. Trying to steal my stuff. My husband makes the funniest faces whenever I'm trying to like film, and she likes to, I guess, come in, you know, kid stuff, but it's just funny. Oh, she's back. I'm sorry, guys. Mom life. Okay, so I'm gonna take this LA Girl Ultimate Eyeliner. It's just like a skin color, but I really want to line my under eyes to make them pop, since I do have like that darker color. Also really open up my eyes. I'm just gonna do my brows, and then after I do my brows, I'm actually gonna start on my hair before I do my foundation, because I still have about a good hour till I'm like safe. So I'm gonna take advantage and do my hair because that's gonna take the longest, more than foundation. But I normally use Anastasia Brow Wiz, but since that most of my makeup is downstairs because I already packed it to like do makeup for the wedding tomorrow. So I had this right here, and I think I got this in my BoxyCharm. It's by Chella. It's a taupe eyebrow cream, and that's just what it looks like. So the pomade is here. It does come like where you twist it, and it comes with a little brush. much done. All I really need is like eyeliner, mascara, a few touch-ups here and there. I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair, and when I'm done with my hair, I'll come back and finish off the look for you guys. Okay guys, so I am back, and I know my hair looks kind of crazy, but I've noticed now that I have short hair that my curls, I don't know when I curl it myself, because whenever the lady did it at the salon, my hair stayed curly for like days after. But last weekend, I actually curled my hair, and the curls didn't last very long. So I pinned it up to kind of hold the curl until I am pretty much ready to go. And I think I'm gonna continue with the rest of my makeup. Okay. I'm getting kind of hungry, so maybe I should get something to eat before I do my makeup. Yeah, let's do that. I'll be back. Okay, so I ended up just getting a cup of coffee and had a mini muffin, and that's kind of helping me. Like, it helped me with my hunger, because I know we're gonna have a huge meal tonight, so I don't want to be like super full. Yeah, let's get started. Okay guys, so my hair, my makeup is pretty much complete. Should just take down my hair. So let's go ahead and start doing that. How bouncy my curls are after doing like the pin style. Ooh, this is fun. I just want to be like no, I'm just trying to figure out how to style my hair. Yeah, this is pretty much like the finished look. I'll go ahead and change it a little bit, and I will come back and show you guys a full outfit of the day. All right guys, so let me go ahead and show you a quick outfit of the day. Just wearing a plain dress that has a really pretty collar. I forgot to put in my earrings, but they're gonna be just like silver dangly earrings. So that is the outfit of the day. You can see the baby bump. So all right, we're gonna head out the door now. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So hope you guys have a great day. And if you like more videos like this, get ready with me, so please let me know. I'll see you next time.